Hi guys, am I audible?
Yes,
Yeah, are you able to see my screen as well?
yes.
Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for confirming. Um, just a second. Yeah. So guys, welcome to this demo on Salesforce Marketing Cloud. I am your host. My name is Harshit Suri, and I am Forex certified Salesforce Marketing Cloud developer. I have more than 5 years of experience on data-driven marketing automation, primarily on Salesforce Marketing Cloud and integrated Salesforce products. Guys, the demo today is basically to walk you through what is Salesforce Marketing Cloud, why there is need of
Hello,
Salesforce Marketing Cloud.
hello, Harshit. I'm not able to hear you properly. There is a glitch in between voice.
Is this same with everybody?
Yes, it is.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
You have lots of
Horn
voice
sound,
behind you.
I don't have any horn sound at the
No,
background.
it's Rajnish Yadav. So yeah, now he muted.
Let me mute everybody once.
Yeah, I have muted.
Sorry guys. Yeah. So guys, my name is Harshit Suri. I'm Forex certified Salesforce Marketing Cloud developer. You can find me on LinkedIn. I have around 5 years of experience, more than 5 years, you can say, working on Salesforce Marketing Cloud and integrated product with Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Like I have a vast experience on data-driven marketing automation. So guys, today I will be walking you through why there is a need of Salesforce Marketing Cloud, what kind of career you can have on this product after you learn this product, this technology, what would be your packages and everything, and why you should learn this technology, what is the belief behind this technology. So everything in detail we are going to see in this demo. We will not be seeing any implementation part, but just a brief introduction about Marketing Cloud and the career opportunities it has for you all. So guys, let's start with what is Marketing Cloud. So guys, the name of this technology is Salesforce Marketing Cloud. It has a keyword called marketing. You must have heard, or definitely you have heard about marketing. This is a very common terminology which you listen in day-to-day life. As Marketing Cloud has this marketing, I just want to refresh your concept on marketing so that you start from zero, and then we will proceed further with other points on Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So guys, what is marketing in simple words? Marketing is action or business of promoting your products and services. If you are doing any business, whether it is service, product, or any kind of business, you will require marketing because you have to reach more and more people, have to educate them about the products and services you are trying to sell. More and more people you reach, more and more people you educate about your product, they will inquire about your product and services, they might take it from you, and you will get increase in your revenue, increase on your return on investment. So marketing is something very essential for every company's growth strategy. Without a marketing, you cannot imagine the existence of company. If they do not do marketing, if we also do not do marketing, then you wouldn't have come here. So everywhere marketing is very important in order to drive revenue, drive people, attract people on your products and services. So guys, think of marketing which was happening 20 years back when we were kids or we were about to become adults. That time also people were doing marketing. Now also people are doing marketing. At that time, 20 years back, there were no smart devices available. That time also people were running businesses. They were also doing marketing at that time. But that was called as a traditional way of marketing, in which what most a business can do, if it is a local business in your locality, it may have or it would have distributed some pamphlets house to house, or if it had a nice budget, it could have displayed a poster banner on signals nearby your locality to attract more and more people. If they even had more budget, they could have gone and displayed their advertisement inside the newspaper. If they even had more budget, they can come on local televisions, local channels. If they even had more budget, they could have gone to national television, national radios to publicize their products and services. So all those efforts were counted towards traditional way of marketing. Though we have a television, FM, radio today also, people are doing marketing there as well, but that is not a primary source of marketing. Television is not a primary source of marketing today. Radio, FM are not primary source of marketing today. But that time, before 20 years, that was the most expensive and most I should say renowned source of marketing. So that time also people were doing marketing, people were reaching their customers by using these tactics, distributing pamphlets, templates, and every other thing. But guys, if you imagine, if you deep dive into that traditional way of marketing, that was only one type of marketing, one way of marketing, where brands only distributed the templates, brands only displayed advertisement. There was no way where they can get inputs from the customer. There was no way where they can understand the behavior of the customer on their brand. There was no way to collect feedbacks, inputs from the customer so that they can improve their products and services. Though they were getting some, but those were words of mouth. There was not an established mechanism where people go and interact with the product, post what they feel about that product, give feedbacks, regular feedbacks to the company so that it can improve products and services. Why? Because there was no medium to collect that input, collect that feedback from the customers to know how their customers were behaving the product. Because one stream of marketing also tells that with the continuous input from the market, you have to enhance your products and services. Though you do marketing for promoting your products and services, but you should also get inputs from people to enhance your products and services so that you make your product or service more compatible by understanding the behavior needs of the customer. But in traditional way of marketing, there was no mechanism or medium or any automated process which enabled consumers to directly communicate with the brand. But guys, with the technology evolution, as the 20 years passed, now we are into 21st century. We are seeing the level of technology which was not present before 20 years. There was no World Wide Web, or even there was internet, World Wide Web, but it was limited scope. Only government could afford, not all the people could afford. But as the time elapsed, people are now smart. People have access to internet. Data is very cheap. People nowadays are adopting smart devices. They are buying televisions, tablets, laptops, mobile phones, which are making them connected to the World Wide Web, and they are now getting the shared pool of information which is present on World Wide Web. So day to day, we are adding more and more people who are using smart devices. So guys, with the evolution of smart devices, every people have at least a smartphone in their hand that has given them access to World Wide Web, Internet of Things. And with that access, there got a concept evolved which is called as digital marketing. Because people are digitally enabled now, they have a source where they can be interactive digitally with World Wide Web, with other people. So a new concept evolved which was called as data-driven marketing. So now what people try to do, the agencies, digital marketing agencies try to do, they try to gather traffics. Like suppose the shop which you had in your locality, which was situated nearby your locality, was a physical shop. Now it has enabled a digital shop. If they did not have or do not have a nice budget, they go and free of cost list their marketplace on Facebook, Instagram. If they have nice budget, then they can go and create an e-commerce website for create an e-commerce website for them. If they have more budget, they can go and develop a mobile application. So that the nature of business, the nature of doing business entirely changed within this 20 years because only of the evolution of technology, people are adopting to smart devices culture. So now guys, as local shops are digital shops, they are present in a form of website application. There was a new concept which got evolved, which is called as digital marketing. With the help of digital marketing, people are able to drive traffic on their website. People are able to drive traffic on their mobile applications. People are able to drive their traffic on Facebook listing, marketplace listing, the page listing. Only due to the help of digital marketing, we are able to push a lot of traffic. You have some tactics available into digital marketing like SEO, search engine optimization, and other type of things which helps you to drive more and more traffic to the consumers, to the website, to the brand's application. Take an example of Amazon. Amazon has done a lot of digital marketing. It runs ads, everything to drive traffic on their application. But guys, what happens if somebody goes on their application? That does not guarantee they will go and buy that product. With the help of digital marketing, though you are able to drive a lot of traffic, but the problem is the traffic is not sustainable. You are not able to make a lot of output from that traffic. Suppose millions of customers go on Amazon and millions of customers leave at the same time just seeing that product. There was no mechanism developed which helped towards customer retention. Customer retention is a worry nowadays. Why? Because though with the help of digital marketing, you are able to drive traffic, but you are not able to sustain that traffic. You are not able to make a nice use of that traffic. You as a brand, suppose you are Amazon, you as an Amazon wants that people spend time on your website, wants that people should see the products you have, wants that people should spend a lot of time researching about the products, generating keywords and all, searching about the desired product. They want that people should buy that product as well. But if you do not have any tactics, after you have got traffic, the people will go away. You won't be able to sustain people. Why? Because digital marketing only helps you to get the traffic, does not contribute towards customer sustainability, adaptability, customer retention. This is the major problem nowadays. Why? Because though you are able to get the traffic, people are not buying your product. You are not making sufficient effort so that people can come and buy that product from you. You don't have any marketing tactics apart from just driving traffic where people will be convinced to buy that product. So guys, due to this behavior, due to this problem, a new type of marketing got evolved, which is called as data-driven marketing. What is data-driven marketing? After digital marketing, there was a need of customer retention, customer sustainability, which was not at all possible with the digital marketing tactics. Think of an example of Amazon. You go on Amazon, you search for something, you didn't buy that product. You only search for that product. The next day you will get an email recommendation where you not only have that product inside that email, but you will have plenty of recommended products which fits into same price range, same size range, same color range. Why this email you are getting? Because Amazon has taken one step forward with data driven marketing. It does not only relies on digital marketing, but it has shifted its reliability on data driven marketing, because it has started to get inputs from the customer that okay, this customer has searched this keyword, let's try to explore the database, let's try to give him the best fit. Even though if he has not logged into the website, you will get email, SMS from Amazon. This behavior is shown by other brands as well. Suppose you go to Pantaloons, Big Bazaar, any brand you take, whether you have searched one product, they try to continuously send you product recommendations, coupons, offers based on the behavior you have shown. So guys, now brands are capable to generate the data from your activity on their website. If any brand is capable to generate the data from their activity, from their customers' activity. That is called as data-driven marketing. For example, you went on Amazon, you searched for a product, you really liked that product, you went and put into the cart. But the very next second, you got call from your mom, dad, or any loved one. There is an urgent matter, urgent thing, you have to talk with them. For next 20-30 minutes, there was no activity from your side on that cart where you put that product. So Amazon will automatically wait 20-30 minutes and will send you an email stating this product you left into the cart. This is the customized payment link. Please use this payment link to purchase that products and services from them. Why Amazon has done this? Because Amazon can't afford to lose a customer. It has to continuously read the data about the customer and make that data convert into an insight and turn it into a marketing strategy. So here Amazon was able to read that you have put something into your cart, and now after 20 minutes it pulled that data, analyzed the data, it saw that okay, Harshit kept one Levi's jeans into the cart. It's 20-30 minutes, he haven't made any purchase, neither he is logged in. Let's try to send him a abundant cart email. Maybe he may buy that product. That was an added effort by Amazon to send me abundant cart email. Abundant cart email means you have put something and abandoned that cart. You have put a product and just left that product there abandoned. There was no future activity. That is called as abandoned cart. So Amazon couldn't lose this opportunity to remarket that product to me. That is why after 20-30 minutes of my inactivity, Amazon read every data which I have generated there on their platform. It read all the keywords which I used to search for the product. It read my cart, the product which I kept into my cart. It collected all the data of me as a customer, turned into a strategy, data-driven strategy, and sent me an email, push notification, or any kind of communication it sent, which again insisted me to look at the product which I kept into the cart. Brand has to read the data continuously about the customers, which their customers are generating on their website, mobile application, so that they can remarket the same product in case of inactivity of the customer. You can't afford to lose a customer. You have spent a lot of money to drive the traffic on your website, and when traffic comes, you can't simply lose that customer. You can't simply let him go. You have to make an impact on their decision making continuously, so that someday the customer is able to buy that product from you. So if you leave that customer, the customer will also forget that he has put something into the cart. So Amazon every day it sends 2 email push notification, SMS, continuously reminding me about the products. It also sends me product recommendations. Okay, you didn't like that product, here are some recommended products. The same product of different company we are selling into cheaper price. These kind of strategies Amazon tries to implement into its data-driven marketing tactics. So guys, reading the data about the customer and analyzing that data to convert into a marketing strategy is called as data-driven marketing. And this is the need of today's marketing capabilities for every brand. You have spent a lot of money to drive traffic, but if you do not focus on customer retention, you will lose a customer permanently, and you can't afford to lose a customer. I myself time to time purchase something from Amazon. If Amazon does not care me, if it do not send me any personalized communication, I may switch to any other website which is continuously taking care of me, my needs, my behaviors, my birthday, anniversary, everything. All these communications which I am getting time to time from a particular brand is only due to the fact that brand is enabled for data-driven marketing. So guys, data-driven marketing is a new fuel for marketing which every company is adopting nowadays. Companies know, brand know what type of product you are searching on their website, what kind of thing you are searching on their application, what is the behavior of yours towards a particular product. They will continuously try to get feedback, comments from you, analyze feedback, comments from you. Amazon also has a lot of feedback system implemented into their website. With the help of those feedbacks, it ranks the product on their website. It understands the rating, it understands the consumer behavior about that product. That is the only deciding factor of ranking the product in the search ranking. So all these things are happening, are done by Amazon only due to the data driven marketing approach. If it has not enabled its system to work on data driven marketing approach, it wouldn't have become Amazon nowadays. It would have been an ordinary company. But as Amazon wants to stay ahead of the people of the competition, they have adopted data driven marketing. And seen Amazon, every company has started to um, adopt this marketing strategy. So guys, think of one more scenario where millions of people go to Amazon and millions of people search products at the same time. Millions of people put that product into the cart, and after 20 minutes, millions of people abandon the cart. So Amazon is not only limited to one person. So if millions of people have done abandoned cart, it will automatically send millions of emails personalized to every person. It will have personalized product which a person has put into the cart. It won't show any other person's product. It will only send the product which an individual has put into the cart. And these millions of emails worldwide are being sent at the same time by Amazon. How it is possible? Nobody is sitting and typing that email for you. Whenever you go and purchase any product from Amazon, you get your invoice. At the same time, millions of people go and purchase a product from Amazon. At the same time, invoice is sent to everybody, which consists of their own respective product pricing and every other details. But nobody is sending manually all these invoices to anybody. There is a single email which is sent simultaneously to millions of people whenever they make any activity on Amazon. But those emails are personalized to every individual, will contain every individual's data. So guys, only single email is sent by the system which will change the behavior, the data as per the customer's requirement, as per the customer's behavior. So guys, this automated process is called as marketing automation. Concept of marketing automation came into existence after data-driven marketing. With the help of data-driven marketing, we were able to predict customers' behavior, customers' interest towards our product. But now there was a need to automate everything so that there is no manual intervention left behind. So guys, there was a concept called marketing automation which got evolved. So automating the process of nurturing leads to sales readiness is the definition of marketing automation. If I went on Amazon, I am their lead. What is lead? Lead is a potential customer. Amazon will time to time nurture me as a lead so that it can make an impact on my decision-making power. It will continuously try to send me push notifications, promotional emails, SMS, MMS, every sort of communication so that it can make an individual relationship with me as a customer. It can time to time remind about all the products and services I am interested into. If someday I search for a Levi's jeans, if they have a fresh collection of Levi's jeans, they will not forget me to send emails. So this is only happening automatically with the help of marketing automation. So now brands wants to go with data-driven marketing and wants to adopt marketing automation. There was a time where digital marketing was boom, but now digital marketing is everybody's need to drive traffic. But what happens after you get the traffic? You can't lose that traffic like you have got that traffic. Millions of customers come and go away. You can't afford that the same population which are coming to your website or application should leave you simultaneously at the same time. That you can't afford. So you have to work towards customer retention. Okay, there you have to go do the data-driven marketing and you have to automate the process. You have to automate the system. Then you will have to go with marketing automation, which comes after the data-driven marketing. If you're capable to read the data about the customer, store the data inside the system, segment the data, and if you're able to analyze that data and turn it into a strategy, then that strategy, if you want to implement automatically, you will be able to only implement with the help of marketing automation. And marketing automation is called as lead nurturing process. Every customer is a potential lead for a particular brand. It has to nurture, brand will have to nurture every leads so that it can make impact on decision making power. If Amazon continuously sends me 10 emails to the product which I have really searched there, liked there, after 10 or 15 emails from Amazon for the product recommendation, one day will definitely come where I will agree with their product recommendation and go and buy that product from them. So guys, nowadays marketing automation is a fuel for marketing strategy for every brand, because every business is online and any business can't afford customers leave upfront. They have to work on customer retention. That is why they have to adopt marketing automation. So guys, what is Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a B2C marketing automation platform. It will help you to work on marketing automation. It will help you to read the data. It will be integrated with all the websites, applications. It will help you to get the data from those systems into Marketing Cloud. It has plenty of segmentation tools which will help you to find the relevant data, and then it can send communications automatically. It is capable to deliver personalized customer engagement on every channel, from email to web, mobile, social, digital advertising. Either you want to send SMS, you can send SMS from Marketing Cloud the right away. If some customer has done any activity, you want to remind him about that activity via SMS, you can send immediately. If you want to reach your customer via email, you can reach immediately. If you want to reach your customer via MMS, you can reach immediately. If you want to reach your customer via push notification, which is a very much followed marketing tactics nowadays, you must have installed Swiggy, Zomato, Ola, Uber, these kind of applications. Time to time, they try to remind about the product services they have. Time to time, they will send you push notifications and every other type of notifications, which they use as a primary marketing medium for the customers, because millions of customers have downloaded their app. So if you want to reach your customers via push notification, you can reach via Marketing Cloud. If you want to reach your customer via WhatsApp, via Line Messenger, via Facebook Messenger, you have that integrated with Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So you have all the mediums with which you can reach your customer integrated into a single platform, which is called a Salesforce Marketing Cloud. And you have data-driven marketing automation capabilities to get the right audience, to get the right message, to deliver that right message to right audience at the right time. This is called as marketing automation, and everything is possible into Salesforce Marketing Cloud. It is a best marketing cloud product into existing nowadays, or in this era, which is provided by Salesforce, and most of the companies are adopting this product as a fuel to push their marketing strategies, to enhance their marketing strategies. With Marketing Cloud, guys, you will be able to do plenty of things. You can create two-way real-time engagements. Not only you can send communication to your customers, you can get their inputs as well. A small example, many banks nowadays ask you to check the balance by just replying BAL keyword to 57575 or any type of short code. They give you 5 to 6 number of short code and a keyword where you can go and reply to that keyword with the BAL keyword. They send you updated balance. This is a two-way type of communication, guys. You have enabled your customers to also interact with your systems by sending some keywords. And in response to that interaction, you are sending them the updated balance or any updated information which they intended to receive when they replied to your communication, when they inquired about that communication by sending BAL keyword or any type of keyword. So this is marketing engagement which you can adopt with the help of Marketing Cloud. There are plenty of other examples where two-way engagement are happening, like Amazon publishes Big Billion Day Sale, Flipkart publishes Big Billion Day Sale. Before the sale, they try to get they try to get the interest of the customer. They will say that, okay, reply to 565, big reply big billion day sale to 56565, so that we can make you opt in for that sale. You will get an early access to that sale. All the products you will be getting displayed 2 hours before the sale is going live. So these all are the type of marketing tactics where brands are requiring the input from their customers are possible with the help of Marketing Cloud, because it supports two-way real-time engagement. You will be able to reach your customers across any channel at any time automatically. You will be able to deliver the right message which your customer wants to see at any time whenever he wants to see. You can measure, report, optimize marketing performance, anything with the help of reporting you will be able to pull in Marketing Cloud, so that you keep on checking the marketing performance. You have Einstein as an artificial intelligence platform. Einstein is an artificial intelligence platform which will give you more insight on the data you have stored within the Marketing Cloud. With the Einstein, you will be able to get plenty of intelligent recommendations which will definitely help you to market the correct product to your customers. We will see everything in detail. So guys, how to access Marketing Cloud? Marketing Cloud can be accessed using mc.exacttarget.com. Like you see here, mc.exacttarget.com is opened in front of you. This is how a typically Marketing Cloud looks. It has a lot of studios like Email Studio, Mobile Studio, Social, Web Studio, Interaction Studio, and it has another section which is called as Builders, like Analytics Builder, Journey Builder. Under Journey Builder, we have Automation and Journey 2 builders. We have Content Builder, we have Audience Builder. Also, we have some intelligent integrations like Einstein, App Exchange, Platform. So all these things, guys, we will be going to see step by step into Marketing Cloud. Whether you want to send emails, with email, I mean data-driven emails, not a simple email, guys. The same email which will be sent to different people will change the data accordingly. I'm not talking about the static email which you just type and send. I'm talking about data-driven email. Amazon has made only one invoice format. Whenever millions of customers make transactions every time they get email with their own updated product. If I purchased any product, that does not mean my product Amazon will send to other people. The other person who has made transaction the same time will receive his product, but we both will receive the same email designed by Amazon, but the content is changed dynamically. That type of dynamic emails are achieved with the help of AmpScript, the technology behind dynamic emails. We are going to see everything in detail about AmpScript while we study Email Studio. So we will be able to develop dynamic emails. We have Mobile Studio. In Mobile Studio, we have Mobile Connect. We have Mobile Push in order to reach your customers via SMS, in order to reach your customers via MMS, or you have, if you want to integrate a mobile application so that you can reach your customer via mobile push, you can do. A small example, you must have traveled to train, or somebody has traveled to train. When you cross one state to other state, you get an SMS, welcome to this state. How they are sending SMS, how they are recognizing that you have crossed the state. Marketing Cloud provides a geographical feature where when the app is installed in your mobile, system will be able to trace your live location. With that live location, companies try to send offers or communication to the customer. For example, you went to Big Bazaar in a radius of 500 meter, you get automatically 500 meter, suppose, or 200 meter to be more precise, you get automatically I should say offer in your mobile via SMS, right? Whenever you go and whenever you are standing near to Pantaloons, sometimes you get SMS providing the updated offer by that Pantaloon. All these are happening due to the geographical feature of Marketing Cloud, which is capable to read the geographical location of a customer and using that data in order to send some notifications to the customer about the offers or services they want to sell. Similarly, guys, all these studios will help you to reach the customer in some or other way. But guys, the data-driven and marketing automation features can be developed for a particular brand using these builders. Marketing Cloud is typically divided into studios and builders. Studios helps are the channels with the help of which you will be reaching your customers, and builders are the platform tools which will help you develop data-driven marketing automation strategy. And the third section into Marketing Cloud comprise of Einstein App Exchange and Platform. Einstein is having email recommendation, web recommendations. These are the features of intelligent product recommendations. It is capable to read the data about the customer and can generate insight about the best product you can market to a particular customer. You have App Exchange to integrate third-party applications with Marketing Cloud, and you have Package Manager under Platform to deploy whatever you have built into Marketing Cloud test environment or any environment to other environment, suppose production environment. So guys, everything in detail we are going to see in our 1.5 months of classes. Now guys, this was a brief introduction. I will be opening the mic and I'm okay to take the questions from you guys. If you have any questions, you can check with me. I hope you are able to understand why there is a need of Marketing Cloud. Any questions, guys?
Hi, Harshit.
Hi.
This is Maria. Yes. So I have a question. So you actually brief us in a very good way. And for the Einstein tab, I just want to learn more about it. So over here, we normally create dashboards and
Einstein,
reports.
no, it is an artificial intelligence platform like web recommendations, email recommendations. Suppose you take email recommendations. So based on the data you have stored, suppose I searched Levi's jeans plenty of times. So that data is getting recognized by the Einstein. It will show you more recommendations which are similar to Levi's jeans, which is inside your product catalog. Maybe it will promote the Wrangler jeans, the Flying Machine jeans, or Gas jeans within the same price range, within the same color, and within the same design. So recommendations help you to recommend the product similar to the one which a customer has stored. Same happens with the web recommendation. So you have to integrate website with Marketing Cloud so that whenever your customer logs in your website, the first product he sees is the relative product or the product which he has searched in the past but haven't purchased. So you want to promote the products based on his past purchases, past histories. So it is artificial platform which helps towards recommendation of products. This is very essential to make the conversions happen. If you don't promote the right product to the customers, they won't buy any product, because Amazon has a huge database. They can't promote every product to a customer. They will only promote the relevant product based on his user history, past history. Make sense?
Yes. Thank you so much. I thought maybe we have to create the reports and dashboards on
reports and dashboards tab. We have inside Analytics Builder report that is not AI enabled.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have no more questions.
Hi, Harshit. It's a good presentation.
Thanks.
I want to know a little bit around the Interaction Studio. How can we define it? Can you please say more?
Interaction Studio won't be included in your training, guys, because Interaction Studio will require integration with the website, which we don't own. Along with Interaction Studio, it requires integration of CDP, Customer Data Platform, which is an integrated product, sub-product of Marketing Cloud, but not the main product. So Interaction Studio we won't be studying here. We will be studying the course of Email Studio, Email Specialist, Admin, Consultant, and Developer. In these 4 certifications, you won't be asked any questions from Interaction Studio.
Okay, but I want to know a little bit around the example of Amazon. You
Yeah.
so many examples you have set up from Amazon side. So
Like I told,
can
product recommendations, it is able to get your search behavior. It is able to store what all type of products you have searching, what all type of products you have clicked and viewed, what all feedbacks you have seen, what all are the ratings you have seen about a product. It gathers all these data for a particular customer, stores into Marketing Cloud, and when it is when there is a chance to recommend the highly fit product, then Einstein will work to recommend you the best product possible. Either Amazon will display that product when you go and log into your website with the help of web recommendation, or it goes and displays the same product and the related product into the email which it will be sending you as a part of data driven marketing effort. Interaction Studio is somewhat similar to the web recommendations, but it requires a full-fledged website. With the help of web recommendations, whomsoever goes and logins your app or mobile application, he will see the relevant product which is best suited for based on his past behavior, or he will just see the product which you want to promote him. So Interaction Studio is a totally different platform which we won't be studying here because it won't. No questions will be asked into all 4 certification exams.
fine. And what about campaigns in this?
This campaign is not actually a conceptual thing. Whatever campaigns you deploy from Marketing Cloud, you can name that campaign with a keyword. That only you can define here. But main thing are Email Studio, guys. Mobile, we have Analytics Builder, Journey Builder, Automation Journey, Content Builder to create dynamic emails, Audience Builder to create our data model. We have Web Studio, Cloud Pages to create browser rendering, dynamic websites, landing pages. We have Einstein Platform, App Exchange. All the things which are required to clear 4 certifications of Marketing Cloud, we will be seeing. Campaign here is not a conceptual thing. You can create a campaign by just defining a name like Amazon and click on save. Now, any email or any communication you send from Marketing Cloud, you can tag that communication to this campaign. That's all. It is only used for reporting purposes. That I will show you, but it is not mandatory for you to learn. The thing you have to learn is how to do data-driven marketing. What is data, how to store data in Marketing Cloud, how to segment that data, how to send automated communications, how to work with AMP the programming language of Marketing Cloud, what is dynamic email, dynamic content, dynamic site, landing pages, what is Journey Builder, Automation Studio, Einstein. All these things we will be covering into our coaching, which will help you to clear 4 certifications and job interviews.
Thanks.
Harshit,
Yes.
thanks for the brief. I just have a little bit of confusion in this. Is this not included in the Salesforce UI, or is this a separate UI?
No, this is not Salesforce. This is Marketing Cloud, an entire different product. This integrates with Salesforce. Only emails you can send from Salesforce UI, not all the things you can do. This gets integrated with Salesforce, but this is a entirely different product, a very vast product provided by Salesforce in the form of Marketing Cloud.
Okay.
All the concepts are also different. Nothing you have common between both the platforms. But this platform also gets integrated with Salesforce, which we will see how to integrate.
Okay.
Yes, guys. More questions?
Harshit, it's
Yes.
Amir here. I just wanted to understand, I'm not from an IT background.
Yes.
I'm basically from management. And how do you think will this affect me changing my, the way towards going toward IT sector and also learning AMP script for this? Is it easier, or like I'm already into a management level here, so I'm just trying to understand how does this work for me?
What is your experience, if may I ask?
I am basically, I have been working in India, then I came to the US. Work experience would be, if you compare both the countries, would be around about 7-8 years.
7-8 years is not that much of experience. You can easily crack consultant exam and project yourself as a product marketing automation manager or marketing product development manager very easily, because still you have only 7 years. If you look into IT, if you typically go with the IT hierarchy, 7 years is something awarded to a technical lead. In IT, 14-15 years, at least 10 to 12 years is required to become a manager.
Okay.
Right. You have ample of time to have your career shifted to IT product manager rather than a simple manager.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. Like,
Yeah.
will this be suffice for applying as a consultant or?
Definitely, you can shift your past experience working as a technical lead and approach with a marketing automation manager after only clearing certification of consultant. 2 certifications you will require: email studio and consultant. After that, you can product yourself as a marketing automation manager. Still, you have ample of time to get a nice marketing automation manager role, because 7 years is the only experience you have. So that does not that is not huge experience where you can't shift your career to IT. Definitely you will be able to shift. Even it will be very easy for you to shift, because you don't have to know much on development part. You just become a consultant, crack interviews. I will give you 100 questions, out of which 80 to 90 questions will be asked in your interview. In every interview, only 10% of questions can come outside, but that also can be covered if you learn my entire coaching properly. So after you learn everything in a month from me, the second month you clear the interviews, you clear the certifications, and from third month start giving the job interviews. Definitely you will be able to get the job within 4 to 5 months as a manager. It is very easy for you to work as a marketing automation manager by learning this platform.
Okay, amazing. It's because I wouldn't know anything about languages. No, there are different languages, and
Not
probably where I read
expected to
about.
learn anything as a manager, though I will be providing detailed tutorial on AMP-script. If you haven't learned anything, you can learn with me. Just learn what I am teaching. That would be sufficient for you to crack interviews.
Will I have resume support? Like whatever I have,
If you
and
want resume support, I can help. If you want interview support, I can help. If you want certification support, if you don't want to give certification and keep it up to me, then also I can support. We have in-house solution of everything in marketing cloud. We have helped place more than 100 students now, whether they were managers, they were not, they were having non-IT background, they were freshers, they wanted to switch the technology. We have helped more than 100 people to get the job now. That is our best track record, which I can say to you.
Okay, yeah, that's what I wanted to hear, because it becomes a little, nerve-wracking for me coming from a different background, and I've heard a lot about you. So I thought, when would be the evening batches starting here? I mean, for me, evening, so morning for y'all. Are y'all having any batches coming up within this week?
Right. We do have morning batches, evening batches. If you are in US, then morning batch would be best fit for you.
Yeah, because it will be evening here. So
right.
How do I go about it? Will somebody contact me? You'll contact me, or because I have spoken to somebody there, but I just want to make sure that I don't miss out on the first. Because also, if as I'm coming as a fresher, somebody in I think the department told me that I can also do my evening batch, and then also for a refresher, I can go and do the morning as well. If I don't understand, like I can use both the classes just to understand and get a more grasp of it.
See, the institute will definitely connect with you. You can also connect with me over LinkedIn. If I am going to start a morning batch, definitely I will be telling you to join.
Amazing.
So
okay.
At least give your number and connection so that we can approach you.
Yes. I would want to make sure that I join and don't miss out on anything that's coming up front. I've already made a call, and I'm gonna make, like, I want to start up, so I don't want to miss out on anything that comes in the evening. That's the more priority for me.
No, I take 2 batches in a day, both morning and evening. So in morning batch, that more people which join me are from US like you. Whether US, Canada, mostly people join from US and Canada in morning batch. In evening
Yeah.
batch, I have plenty of people joining from India.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Understood. I'll get in touch with one of the staff or anybody in the
So
department.
just send me a LinkedIn request as well. I will be informing you whenever we are going to start a new batch.
Okay. You are at Harshit Suri, right? As LinkedIn?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Right.
All right. I'll do that. Thank you, Harshit.
Harshit, do we need any coding experience for this?
Well, no past experience is required, but AmScript knowledge is required if you want to pursue your career. If you are starting your career, then it is expected to you learn AmScript. I will be teaching it from scratch. So there is no prerequisite expected from you, but what I am teaching that you should adopt and learn very quickly so that you are also able to do coding whenever you get the tasks.
Okay.
See guys, any IT platform will require code. If it is not 100%, there would be 20% of code. Nobody can fool you saying that this is IT platform and you don't need you need 0% of code. If he is telling, he is lying. Any platform you take, whether it is Microsoft, Salesforce, Oracle, Adobe, at some point of time after customization capabilities are over, you have to write custom logic. Same is with the marketing cloud itself. Because I am telling AmScript, at some point of time you will require the usage of AmScript. So that is what I want to make you clear on upfront in our first demo session. But guys, the thing is, I will be providing AmScript coaching. If you don't have any experience, that does not mean you will not learn in future as well. Just start with me in my coaching. Just learn whatever thing which I am teaching you. Then you are good to adopt anything on marketing cloud. Whether it is customization, development, coding, you will be able to get everything.
And Harshit, one more thing.
Yes.
How about server-side JavaScripts used in this? In which condition we are using?
Marketing Cloud has its own libraries, which are called as server-side JavaScript. But to learn server-side JavaScript, it is expected to you to know JavaScript prior to server-side JavaScript. Because JavaScript is an open source language which I am not going to teach you. It is expected you should learn server-side JavaScript, then you will be able to understand the SS. Sorry, it is expected you to learn JavaScript, then only I will be teaching you the server-side JavaScript. But that would be purely into development. I take different batch for entire development batches, or I should say entire development tutorial. In this coaching, I won't be teaching you server-side JavaScript. This will be only dedicated to clear 4 certification exams. If you want an enhanced developer training, advanced concepts of AmScript, contact builder, integration, and server-side JavaScript, then there is a different batch for that.
No, I'm asking just one thing.
Yeah.
Where we use and where we in which condition we are using SSJS in this?
Server-side JavaScript is a programmatical way. It has given a lot of capabilities using JavaScript libraries. You can use in Web Studio Cloud Pages. Suppose you want to make API call to third-party system. You want to send marketing cloud data to suppose Oracle or any database or any CRM using APIs, then you will go and use server-side JavaScript. If you want to define highly customized logics in order to get the data from marketing cloud servers, then you have to use server-side JavaScript. So anything, any requirement which you get, in which you have to work on marketing cloud servers to deal the data, to pull the data, to send the data using HTTPS functions, then you will be going to use server-side JavaScript. But if you only are concerned to customize and work with dynamic content, then AmScript would be enough. So suppose you want to send data, a bulk data of million records from marketing cloud to a third-party system. Third-party system is not having a direct connection with marketing cloud. Then you have only one way left, that is API, REST or SOAP API. There comes the server-side JavaScript implementation, which helps you with the HTTPS functions, where you can use Marketing Cloud libraries combined with HTTPS functions to pull the data from Marketing Cloud and to send to a third-party system which doesn't have a direct integration. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Thanks. So, if I'm saying in a example, like a form stack, mostly third party, it's a form stack. Mostly we are using. So, if instead of form stack, we also create forms in the form of cloud pages. Correct?
Right. Web Studio Cloud Pages, right? So Cloud Pages is an in-house solution where you can develop forms which will have a URL which you can open on a browser. Web Studio are the perfect examples where you are going to use server-side JavaScript and AMP both in Marketing Cloud.
Okay, thanks.
Any more questions, guys?
Yes, Harshit, I have a question. Actually, I'm also looking for the Salesforce and Encino training. So do you give that training as well?
I don't give, the institute give, because I am not the trainer of Encino, but definitely you can contact svtechsoft and they will be adding you to Encino batch as well. You will have a separate demo for that. A different trainer would be there. So we have a professional trainer who is professional into one technology. That is the model which we want to, which we have implemented. Because I have vast experience in Marketing Cloud, that is why I am teaching Marketing Cloud. Though I have worked at Encino, but I don't have plenty of implementation experience, so I don't teach. But we have a very good trainer of Encino inside our institute. You can get a demo from him and clear all your doubts. You can start with him as well for that training.
Can you please tell me his name, because I'm unable to reach to any the right person.
You will, okay. Actually, I don't
if you
know
share
the
his email.
Email, I don't know. I have to check with the coaching institute. Can you drop a note to institute stating you need this training? He will be making you contact with that trainer. I'm not sure, because there are plenty of trainers working. I'm not sure who is the current trainer. So check with the institute, they will be able to provide the details.
Shall I drop my name here and my email?
Right, you can drop. I will ask the team to forward you the demo invite or any communication. Just send me email and everything here.
Okay.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, I shared with you.
Okay, I'll make sure they contact you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Any more questions, guys?
Do you know when it's going to start? Like, do you have an approximate date, Harshit, when it's going to start?
Within this week only. We are expecting people to join. We already have 2 people. So 1 or 2, if they can join this week, we can start. By day after tomorrow, I am planning, but let's see.
Okay. I have already probably, I'll send you my phone number and my on your personal message. I'll just chat my phone number and the name, and then we can get it from there.
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you, Harshit.
Any more questions, guys? Okay, guys, then thanks. We'll be wrapping up now. You can find the recording on the YouTube. we will send personally to you as well. Maybe institute will send, and I hope you join us. Let's start from day after tomorrow. If you are not able to join, then please provide a tentative date so that we can contact you at that day. Thanks guys, thanks for joining. Thanks a lot. Have a lovely day, lovely evening. Hoping you see again. Bye.
Thank you, Harshit.
Bye guys.